Monica Reddy and Naresh Reddy married on 11th August 2022. Happy third marriage day, Monica Reddy as well as Naresh Reddy. Wish you all the success for your future. On your third wedding anniversary, I am singing the song Srirastu Subhamastu from Pilli Pustakam and dedicating it to both of you. Srirastu Subhamastu Srirastu Subhamastu Srirastu Subhamastu Srirastu Subhamastu శ్రీకారం చుట్టుకుంది పెళ్లి పుస్తకం